Services. Explained. Every firm has a standard set of services: tax preparation, bookkeeping, consultations. Entering those same details from scratch on every invoice or proposal is time your team could spend elsewhere. Services in TaxDome solves that. It's a reusable library of everything your firm bills for. You define each service once, and from that point on, it's always ready to drop into any invoice, proposal, or time entry in just a few clicks. Say you prepare 1,040 returns at a flat rate of $250 and offer hourly tax consultations at $150 per hour. You set those up as two services, one fixed rate, one hourly. Done once, available everywhere. Your firm might also have different team members billing at different rates for the same work. A senior partner reviewing a return isn't billing at the same rate as a staff preparer. Custom billing rates let you assign individual prices per team member for any service, and TaxDome automatically applies the right rate when that person logs time or generates an invoice. No manual adjustments. When it's time to send a proposal, you simply add the relevant services from your library. The client sees an itemized breakdown, what's included, and what each item costs before they sign. No surprises, no back and forth. If your team tracks time, the connection gets even tighter. As team members log hours on a job, they select the service they're working on. When the job wraps up, you convert that tracked time directly into an invoice, and the billed amount reflects exactly how long the work took. And if a particular job turns out to be more complex than usual, you can adjust the rate directly in the invoice or proposal without touching the original service definition. Or save it as a new service for the next time a similar situation comes up.